and welcome in to be our guest. You know, you invite guests in your home and you want your home to look wonderful. One of the best ways to do it is a visit to Georgia Floors Direct. And we have with us Jonathan Hibbert.
Yes, sir.
And Jonathan, glad to have you with us, buddy.
Thank you for having me.
You're now celebrating 50 years Georgia Floors Direct.
We are.
Yeah, it started off as McAdams Carpets. I knew Dick McAdams way back then, and now it's a wonderful organization.
It is. So, and I'm sure y'all have had the story already, but Dick built that building in '69 as a carpet store, one of the first buildings on the boulevard, and he grew it into about 100 different franchises.
Wow.
And in the early 2000s, our now owner, Jeff, became Dick's partner, and so here we are.
That's right. It's a great place to be in. Because you said a key word. Usually when you thought about it back then, everything in a house was pretty much carpet.
Right.
You may have a little tile at the front door,
right,
but then you carpeted the entire house.
You did.
And nowadays it's all changed, hasn't it?
It has, and I think even then there were standards for what the builders had to use.
That's right.
They had to put carpet in this area, tile, hardwood, etc. So yeah, now the flooring industry has changed dramatically. People are going with one floor all the way throughout their house. I brought a sample here. So this is the luxury vinyl plank. It's 100% waterproof.
Okay.
This one.
So that has the wood look, but that's not wood.
This is not wood.
That's not wood.
This is actually made out of limestone and PVC. So that's why it's 100% waterproof.
And very durable.
Very durable. There's different levels of the luxury vinyl plank. It has a wear layer. So it starts out with a 6 mil wear layer and gradually goes up. The higher the wear layer, the more durable it is. So what people are doing and what we are doing for people, installing this over tile. So it eliminates the cost
of having to pull it all up.
And not just the cost. I mean, it's even the mess that it causes when you demo a house full of tile. So with this, our guys will take a floor leveler, they'll skim coat over all the tile, and then this goes right over the top of it.
Isn't that amazing?
Interlocks, it really is. So it opens up where folks are always going to have a budget for their project.
Right.
This allows them to get more for their money. They can do more flooring.
Less labor involved.
Less labor.
Yeah, right.
So it eliminates costs, and they can put that money, where they weren't able to do their master bedroom. Now this can open that door, essentially.
And be able to do that also.
And be able to do it.
And that, of course, that comes in a variety of different shades and colors.
It does. Yes, sir. I mean, literally thousands.
You name it, you can find it.
That's right.
And you have access to all that, which is great.
We do. So we deal direct with all the manufacturers. We have a manufacturer, they're out of Georgia, but we buy direct from them. So we literally get the container directly off of the truck when it's delivered to our store. So it doesn't go through anybody else. And I know that sounds like a sales pitch, but literally,
that's right.
We order it direct from the manufacturer. It comes from their facility overseas to our front door.
And of course, hence the name Georgia Floors Direct.
Exactly.
It's a direct
there you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
And then the interesting thing is, and we're going to take a look at this. This is amazing.
Right. So that gives you the marble look.
Yes.
I mean, that's still the interlocking. It's a floating floor, so it has a locking system. And that gives you the ability to do a porcelain marble look at half the cost.
Isn't that amazing?
Or more.
And of course, this is good in a kitchen.
Right, it is.
This could be actually even in a bathroom.
Yes, sir. It sure can. And this one as well.
And at the front door.
At the front door, all the way throughout. And it really is. It's topically, water cannot hurt or affect this. Anything, I mean, we tell people, because waterproof is huge. I mean,
Oh, yes.
people have that in their head.
Yes.
It's marketed. They see advertising for the luxury vinyl plank. So they come in asking for it. We try to give people an expectation where that this is 100% waterproof, but if your house is underwater and it floods,
Yes.
anything will have to come up so that you can dry it. But still,
Amen.
it's a great product. I've been doing this. I started January 1st of 2015 with Georgia Floors, and this has been the hottest thing out
Isn't that
there.
amazing? Mm-hmm. That's right. And of course, even the marble look comes in a variety of shades too also.
It does.
Yeah.
You're right. Yes, sir. I mean, you can get we've got a really pretty, it's like a concrete, it's like a nice gray concrete look with some texture. That's really popular. Of course, the marble look, but
travertine marble. Yeah.
different stone look.
So basically, to close, we're to Georgia Floors Direct.
Yes,
You're
sir.
on the Eastern Boulevard across from Lowe's.
That's right.
You've been there for many, many years, and you're open Monday through Saturday,
9 to 5.
9 to 5, Monday
Yes,
through
sir.
Take and of course, you'll come out and do all the measuring, but you
We
can
will.
go into the store and get a variety of different styles that you're looking for, and then you take it from front to finish.
We do. And so I'm glad you brought that up. You can call us. We can get your information. We'll send Chip out there
Right.
to measure. So you can come in, pick out product, set up a measurement then, or call us. We'll give you an idea over the phone of what it's going to cost. But it's really important to get exact measurements so we can get you an exact price.
Right. Thank you for what you do, and remember, it's Georgia Floors Direct, here to serve you for 50 years, and we'll be right back right after this.